Hey there, YouTube. We're back with another video. We're finishing up prepping our frame for its coated polyurethane, and then then after that we'll be reassembling it and letting my dad get it and put his clothes in it, or some of his clothes, and he's got a lot of them. Would y'all like to see the dresser drawers real quick? Alright, hang on. The drawers, they didn't turn out perfect like I had hoped for, but they're not bad. It's certainly usable. Hold on, we'll get the rest of them real quick. Okay, there's all the drawers. They they don't look bad, but if you look on that bottom drawer on the right side, how it looks kind of weird. The wood sucked up a lot of the urethane there, and it looks odd. I may wet sand them again and redo them, but you know, if I redo one, I'm gonna go ahead and redo them all. I just haven't quite made my mind up yet. But all right, let's get these out of the way and get back on the dresser frame. Hold on, YouTube. Okay, what we're doing here, YouTube, is this wood, it felt a little rough, so I hit it with the sandpaper again, well, the sanding block, to just kind of smooth it out, and it feels a lot better now. These sides feel good, but again, the urethane, I put it on real thin with a brush, and I can see a couple spots there that I missed. I didn't actually have it in the light. Oops, my mistake. And then I restained it, but there's a spot there where I had actually sanded through the clear or the polyurethane. I'm not happy with it. Apparently this spot I missed altogether. This thing, so not happy with that. But anyway, yeah, just a touch up and then a coat of urethane. Alright, let's get started. Good, let's get started. Okay, we'll give that about 30 minutes or so. And then we'll polyurethane it. Okay, YouTube, we're gonna go ahead and put the polyurethane on. I'm not gonna make y'all watch the whole thing because my battery's low and it'd be kind of boring watching me do it. So just gonna show you a little bit of it. Okay, YouTube, that's enough. Okay there, YouTube, we're gonna go ahead and polyurethane the front of it, and I'll let y'all see all of that. See how slow I take this kind of stuff. You know what? We're gonna hit that bottom there with a little bit of the stain. That don't look right to me. Hang on, YouTube. Okay, let's try that again, YouTube. I'm sorry if you can't see me. Well, if you can't see me, you ain't missing much. I like to go kind of slow with this stuff, YouTube. Just seems to work out better for me. Seems like I get a much smoother finish by going slow and then just going all the way across in one continuous stroke. I've been debating to myself, YouTube, if I'd have not been done better to completely disassemble this thing and do the parts individual like. Okay, YouTube, I'm not gonna make y'all watch all that, because it's kind of slow going. I'll just pause the video and bring you back when it's done, then we'll throw it and do the outro. Oh, YouTube, I just realized that I forgot to show y'all the top and the backsplash. They actually look really good. Hang on. There's the top, YouTube. You know, we cleaned it, sanded it to bare wood. We sprayed that. No, on that I brushed the first coat. Then we wet sanded it real good, let it dry up, and I put the second coat on it this morning. And you know, it looks really good. And that you're seeing on it, that is the reflection from our refrigerator. I mean, you get really close to it, you can see textures, but you know, any better than what I done there would be like factory stuff. So, you know, I just don't have those kind of capabilities. But that in real life looks absolutely amazing. Alright, let me show y'all the backsplash. There's the backsplash, y'all. It has not been wet sanded yet. But hell, even that looks pretty good the way it is. But you know, with that spray polyurethane, it made it shiny like I wanted, but it kind of left a texture sort of like, you know, using spray paint. And yeah, it might be okay for something, you know, that you're not real wanting to. I don't know how to put it, but if you use it, you're gonna wet sand it to make it look better. And well, let me see if I can get this in a little closer. Maybe y'all can see the textures. You can kind of see the grain of the wood. See how it just looks kind of rough? That's that spray paint texture I was talking about. Wet sanding that will take it out, but the second coat most definitely will be done with the foam brush. And I don't believe that I'll be using that spray polyurethane on anything else. I just don't see that happening. I mean, it might be okay on some things, just not what I'm doing here. Okay, YouTube, I think that's about it. You've seen the drawers, and you know I'm probably gonna redo them. I'm not entirely decided yet. I might not. The top looks amazing, you know, considering, well, by anybody's standards. And you know, that looks okay. We won't really know how well the dresser looks until the dresser frame looks, until everything's dry and we can, you know, turn it and look at it in the light. I think it's going to look okay, but I don't think it's going to be. I think I'll probably wind up wet sanding it and having to go over it again. But okay, YouTube, thank y'all for watching. I would appreciate it if y'all would like, subscribe, and share this video. And you know, get in the comments. Maybe leave a comment. Maybe we'll get a conversation going, something like that. Maybe, you know, trade techniques or something like that. You know. Alright, good night, YouTube. Thank y'all for watching.